Okay, next video in our attic conversion series. So we had the spray foam contractor come in and spray foam our whole attic. So basically they spray foamed the entire roof, everything that would be from the floor line up, they spray foamed. And you can see over there we have three skylights that are going to go in there. The other interesting thing you might notice is that this one channel we left not spray foamed, and that's because we're going to put in a custom designed ceiling fan. So in this upper space we're expecting it to get much hotter than the lower space. It's an old 1910 house. So the walls are not very well insulated, and we'd have to tear everything apart to do it, which we're not going to do on this build. So instead what we're going to do is we're just going to put in a cavity here, probably a 6-inch pipe that goes down with an inline fan and a switch that goes all the way to the bottom of the cavity and then blows down into the lower section of the house. Our HVAC unit is going to be in this little corner here. We moved it up from the lower floor to make some space for the bathroom. It was upright before. We're now putting it horizontal, and then we're going to build a wall in this zone, close it off. Then we're also going to put in a small on-demand water heater. So this will be our whole control unit section in here for hot water and hot air. Another thing that's, I think, kind of important to note is that over here you see this wall that we put up, and we didn't insulate on the other side of the wall. You can see how leaky the house is. You see that that light, the sun coming in? There's just air leaks everywhere in this house. That's one of the main reasons we decided to go with the closed cell foam. But what that means is that this wall right here, it doesn't need to be just insulated, it needs to be air sealed. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a layer of insulation on it, and then we're going to air seal it so that no air can transpire between these two things. And what that also means is this is going to be an access hatch. That means I'm going to treat it like an exterior door. And this is a mistake I find that most people make. When you're closing off one insulated space from another space, that needs to be an air sealed space that you're closing it. So from here I'm going to have to put gaskets on this interior door just like I would the outside. Okay, that's it. Stay tuned.